Hi everyone, Sandy here. I have a little haul video that I thought I would just share. I haven't picked up a ton of items, but I picked up a few, so I thought I would show them to you. So I got a couple paper pads, and I wanted to start with this one. I got these at Joann's, and I think this one's so pretty. I've never seen this one before, and it was 40% off, so I got it for just a little over $10. And there's 36 double-sided sheets, and some of them have some gold foil on them. So I have a couple projects in mind that I want to use this for, and I just thought the colors and the flowers were so pretty. So there are 2 pages of cut-aparts, but the back, if I don't want to use cut-aparts, I feel like this really pretty soft pink, that'll be great for cards, journal cards, things like that. And I might turn this like this maybe, so it'll be a little sideways, but I love the flowers with the black background, so pretty. And then they have some little water droplets on some of these, kind of a little shabby chic inspiration. And then the back is so pretty, nice neutral. And then I love this neutral here, all the different flowers. And then this, I love that design. And then here's a foil one with all these different little birds and some flowers. And again, I just love that dark background. And then this is pretty on the back as well. Some navy and then like a mint color. And so there's 2 sheets of each design, another foil design, which I love. And then this is just so pretty. So it's different kind of flowers, but this is with a cream background. And then this one has little deer as well as birds and leaves, and that burgundy, just such a pretty color. And I love this one here, so pretty. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. Like a mauve. And then this one here, again, I love these roses. So pretty. And then the back is a nice back, neutral. And then here's another foil one with leaves. And then the back of this is so cute. Look at that. A very artistic-y kind of look. Love the back of that one. And then the butterflies. Like how the colors coordinate with the rest of the pages. And then a pretty soft pink background. And then I love this. I think that's really like a sample of each page. I think that's so pretty. I think that would be a really pretty cover of a signature. And then again, this is like a, what blue is this? Like a dark teal. Can't think of the color. Here's that mint color. Love that. And then here's some more butterflies, the foil. And then the back of this one, similar design, but with the pink. I really like that. And then here's similar to that one with the black background, but it's a greenish mint color. And then I love that. That's gorgeous. There's a pattern in there. Very subtle. And then this one is so pretty. And then the back of it is pretty as well. And then this is, they're all just so pretty. And then here's a black and white with the flowers. And then this one, gorgeous. I mean, these would just be beautiful tags, pockets, signature pages. Here's with the navy background. And I think that's the last one. So I really love this paper pad. So pretty. And then this one, Vintage Memories. And this one is 36 sheets as well. And same, a little over 10 bucks. So I thought this was just a fun, vintage inspired. And it's 2 sheets. Love the music paper. Just all the different options you have with this. And the back, I like the foiling. Newspaper print. More letters. I just think these would be great signature pages in a journal. And the back of this, love this. And this gives me ideas for ways to use my stash of papers, like similar to this. And then they have all these cut aparts, which I think are really nice quality. And I like that the back is just a grid. So you can cut them and they're good to go. Here's some advertising pages. And the writing on the back. And then this has some, like a embossing on it, it feels like. But these are so cool. And the backs of these are ready to go as well. I just thought it was a cool paper pad. And I love the letters on the back of this one. It's black. And I like the typed pages. And this is embossed over on this side. Some more cut aparts. I think these are so cool. And some ledger paper. I like the back of that. Random papers. And this is a pretty kind of rusty color. And a darker newsprint and some more typed pages. And then some advertisements. So I love both those paper pads. I think they're so pretty. And then I also got, these are Stabilo little markers. And I got these for around $6. And I have, I already have one of them. I bought it out in Seattle. And I really like how fine it writes. I can write on here. It's not too thin, not too thick. And so when I saw this pack, because this color, I thought this color was already in this pack, but I'm excited. It's not. So I got all these different colors. So it's the 0.4 millimeter and it's the 0.88. So that's what it looks like on there. But check those out at Joann's. And they have a 40% off coupon right now. But I really like that marker. I love the colors. And I didn't write very well there. And I love how well it writes. And you don't have to press down very hard. And then, I don't know if I mentioned to you all, but I've signed up for an online beginner's watercolor class. And so the instructor, it's the Berlin Drawing Room, and they do free botanical watercolor classes. I don't think it's monthly, but it's pretty on the regular. And so they have, they offer advanced watercolor as well as beginner watercolor. And so I wanted to start with the beginner watercolor. And this is a set, the Winsor and Newton brand is one of the ones that she recommends. And it wasn't too expensive. And I got it on sale. I'm thinking it was like $40, I think. I can't remember. But it comes with these, I think it's 12. Yeah, 12 colors. And these colors, I think, are kind of the basics that you can do a lot of mixing to make other colors with. and different shades of these colors. So I'm excited. And I like this little set. I need to unwrap these. I haven't unwrapped them yet. But I need to unwrap each one of them, and they'll sit in here. And what you can do is you can do some mixing down here of colors, which I think is kind of fun. And then the paintbrushes can go in there. I've ordered one kind of nice paintbrush, and then I have just some other more less expensive ones that I'll try for starters before I go and buy any more. But yeah, I'm super excited to take this beginner botanical watercolor class. I think that'll be fun. That'll be fun. And then the last thing I wanted to show you all is this set of postcards. I was following on an estate sale auction site and picked up these postcards. And they're embossed, which I think are really pretty. And like this is from 1915, it looks like. So they're over 100 years old, and they're all a little bit different. Here it has 1910, and I love that they write in pencil. It's awesome. And then here's, so I won't flip through all of them, but I haven't really looked at them myself yet. Again, quite a few of them have stamps, 1-cent stamp, and writing on the back, which I love. And they're, a lot of them are embossed. Here's 1910. And look at that gold on there. This is 1910. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Ooh. Is this a love letter? It's hard to read their writing. But, oh, look at this one. Love that embossed. So some birthday, some good luck and best wishes. George Armstrong. Master Franklin Armstrong. Their handwriting was so neat. But yeah, I love these a lot. So a lot of times I'll send these to my patrons. I also include these in journals that I make. Oh, look at that one with all the 4-leaf clovers. How fun. And then I'll scan some and have them as digitals on my Etsy store as well. Oh, look at the birds. Love that. Oh, and this is more of a, looks like just an advert versus a postcard. That's cool. Like that. What, does it say a city? Well, there's a what? It could be Louisville. That's cool. Postcard. I love all the writing on the backs of these and the stamps. So pretty. Ooh, this one has like a, I don't know, some sort of, can you see that sheen on there? That's cool. Friendship one. Sincere birthday wishes. Here's some different birthday. I love all the embossing. A friendly greeting. This is the mail for which you sent postage. That's a funny stamp on there. Look at that lime green. Pretty. Cool. Birthday greetings. The handwriting, I can't get over it. Ooh, I like that one a lot too. Good luck. Nice. So yeah, so that's my little haul that I've picked up recently. And yeah, I'll take you along on my watercoloring adventures. Show you some of the stuff I make, see what you all think. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I think that's everything I wanted to show you all. And you all have a wonderful day. And stay warm out there. We got snow today, so it was very, very cold. I went over to Mom's, and she had a hair appointment, but I just didn't feel like it was worth trying to get her out of the house with all that snow. So we just rescheduled her hair appointment. But I made some chili, so I took her some chili. Nice on a cold, cold day. All right, guys, thanks so much for all your all's comments and support and likes and shares. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye.